everyone, I welcome you all in this particular video in which I am going to show you a method by which you can put different type of page styles in a single Word document. So actually for this purpose I have prepared a sample Word document in which it contains of 9 pages, and in this 9 page the first 4 pages of acknowledgement and certifications, and the remaining 5 pages of literature part or theory part, or what you can say chapter part. So in the thesis, or if you are writing a book, or if you are writing a thesis, then what you have what is need that the first portion of the book contains, or the thesis contains, the acknowledgement part, in which the page number is written in Roman style, and the literature part or theory part or chapter part, which is the second part of the book, is written in the numerical format, number format. So for this purpose, uh, let us see whether the page number sets on the on both style or not. So go to the insert and go to page number, select the bottom of the page and click on uh, second option. Now you can see that the page number starts from 1 and ended over here in 9. So you can see the page style, the formatting of the page number is common for the all 9 pages. So to change this and to break the page style into two parts, for first one in Roman number and for the second one in the number format, you have to break the section from where you want to change the style. So for this purpose, first I am removing the page number and go to home and uh, go to the page where you want to change the page style. So click on here and go to layout, breaks, and in section break click on continuous. So whether the page section has been break or not, you can see from one method, that is just double click on the header of any page. You can see header section 1, header section 1, header section 1 in all the 4 pages it has appeared, and from the 5th page it is shown header section 2. So there is a section break between this 2 page, and after the 5th page all the sections are same, that is section 2. So our document is divided into 2 sections, section 1 and section 2. Now you have to put, just hide the tab option, and now you have to put the page number. Just go to page number, format page number, and select the number format to Roman number and start at 1, then click on OK. Now again go to page number, bottom of the page, and select the style according to your need. There are various type of styles, so I am selecting the second one. Now you can see page number 1, page number 2, all page number 4 written in the Roman number. Now from the 5th page it is shown 2. So to change it to, see, this is 2, this is 3. Actually the page number starts from 1, so to change this to 1, just double click on the footer side and go to insert, go to page number, go to format page number, and change start at 0. So click on OK. After this you can see that your first page, Roman number 1, Roman number 2, Roman number 3, Roman number 4. Now from the chapter part, page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4 and page number 5. so you not need to prepare the different documents for the different styles. So by this method you can put the different page number styles in a single document. I hope this video is will be helpful for you to write your thesis work. So thank you for now. Have a good day.